This is the air intake return, one of the returns in the house. The other one is upstairs in the mudroom. We're walking over to the utility room. This is on the first floor walkout. To the left of me is where all the networking systems are going to go, the external hard drives and stuff like that. That's the water to air unit, so this provides heat and air conditioning for the whole house. It's a Bosch unit. So this is a geothermal unit. And there's the water to air. That's my wife Eileen. You can see all the ductwork is in place. It's all insulated, ready to go. It's hard ductwork insulation. She's measuring right now so we can add air filtration in. I think it's 24 by 24. It's an absolute square. You can start to see that we have geothermal water-to-water unit. That's radiant heat for the whole house. It's on all the floors. The main floor in the wood, in the cement slab is radiant heat also. You can see the accumulator tank, basically a hot water tank, and below there is the water-to-water unit. You can see that you have full regulators and all that kind of stuff on the tubing. It's all coppered up. And that's our water-to-water radiant system. Once again, the hot water tank is an accumulator tank, so it takes the heat out of the ground and accumulates it in there. That's the quad pump. Basically, it's 4 pumps that circulate the geothermal fluid through the ground and then fire it into both the water-to-water unit and the water-to-air unit. To the right of that is an water filtration system we're putting in. There'll be pre-filters and things like that. You can see the central vac right there. Those 2 purple canisters. You can see the room has full lighting and all that stuff is in place. And there's my wife again writing down the specs for everything. Here you can see the one of the electric panels. So we have 2 electric panels. One of them is hooked to the Generac. You can see the Generac generator right there. That panel is hooked to backup power and main power. If main power goes out, Generac will kick on, and all the things in that panel there will be powered up to the backup generator. That panel feeds another panel in the loom room, also hooked up to backup generator. So basically that panel controls this side of the house, and the other panel controls the other side of the house. Here's our water-to-water unit just to the left of us. We can see that again. There you go. We have it open up because we're checking the electrical stuff inside of there. The accumulator tank, the water-to-air unit, you can see the well. It's a well control, variable speed well pump and all that kind of stuff. That's the regulator tank behind me that we just saw. There's more of the water to air unit. You can see the regulator tank for the domestic water. We have our own domestic water. We have a well 300 feet deep, and I put a 1 1/4, 1.5, I think, horsepower pump in there, which is way overkill. Central vac units, again, you can see those. You can see the main power board there, turn power off for the entire house. You can see a sump pump in the ground there. There's the quad pump for pumping geothermal fluid. We just saw that a little while ago. Accumulator tank. And the water-to-water unit.